Caterpillar. It turns into a very cool butterfly, but I couldn't tell if he was alive.
Wow.
Here's another one. This one will turn into a monarch.
Wow. And it doesn't even look real.
Yeah, it's like animated.
Right. The caterpillar. Can you show me the caterpillar?
This is probably milkweed, and it's the only thing that monarch caterpillars eat to survive. Okay, and here's more of these other ones. These are like called monarch. There's one under this leaf too. Tussock caterpillar.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. You learn a lot when you're on the internet, right?
No, that's awesome. This is what I wanted you to see. Look at this tree. But we're on our adventures today again, guys. Hey! Another botanical garden. Face mask. I think I'm gonna just take it off. Hey guys! So we're looking at some cool trees. This is the first time my friend is here. You see, she's taking pictures. The outfit of the day. Those sandals. I don't know if you can see it. Walk down. Look at this, guys. This is like this awesome.
Are they getting cold? No.
You can actually. I said, are you excited?
I am. Look, I just love botanical gardens. I really do. Like, I mean, I'm not going to plant. Stuff like gardens like this make me happy. Like, this is the same way I felt when I went to the one in the Bronx.
Oh, nice. I didn't even see this last time. I didn't know this was like another trail. But look at that. I like the way that the branches are.
I wonder if they knew it was going to come out like that.
I would love to ask them.
Well, they say if you have pets, you know?
Right.
Like, I really wonder. They say you could find out how
Yeah, this is like Alice in Wonderland. See? Wow. Yeah. I didn't even know that they had this part here. Look at that, guys.
you know what I'm getting.
What?
It's like bring your mother here.
Right.
That's what it's saying to it. I mean, that's what I'm.
She likes stuff like this?
Well, she has a green thumb. She likes plants. I know she would
Does she
appreciate
like walking?
Well, I'll get her a pair of sneakers.
This is so nice. Ooh. Look at that. See? That's why I need to come with you.
This
Look at this huge thing.
This is my favorite. This is just my favorite. Wow.
And look, they got a little.
Is that a pathway?
Oh yeah, let's see. All right, guys, here we go. We're going there. Wow. This is beautiful.
I thought the same thing too. Yeah. I also thought this is a great spot for a bird nest
Right.
as well.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at these little flycats.
Can you imagine this
You know
in the
what?
winter?
Look at the butterfly. Is it following us?
Oh,
I was pretty happy about that. Oh, look at the butterfly. It's chasing us.
is this the same one?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. I don't think Jesus would take it away from me the way he did Jonah.
Oh, but you see that Peter was related to Jonah?
You know, he dropped so much. What is it?
Knowledge?
Genesis 28. Yeah,
Oh.
with the ladder. And I said, oh. It's like the ladder was Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
The ladder was Jesus. That's what they say when they say, where is Jesus in this? But I was like, the ladder, and I was looking at that twice.
Mm-hmm.
That's what was being hinted at.
So we're on another trail, guys. I don't know where it's going. We're going to figure it out.
Adventure. This is so cool. This is so cool. But that means you branch out even further, basically, for these botanical gardens. This is beautiful.
All of this nice open space, guys, is so beautiful. Sun is shining. It's just amazing out here. So glad to be here on a Sunday. Beautiful. Look at her. Look at her.
But there's something in it. I don't know what that is, if that's the animal or what. You see that thing in the middle? I'm not sure.
Don't even go.
I didn't want to get too close to it.
Right. Something might jump right out. Did you hear that, guys? She said she's not going back in the car. She don't want to leave. She don't want to leave, guys.
No, I'm staying right
She wants to set up a picnic
No, it's beautiful.
and stay here. We got to go get her bed. A bed of branches and
Help
stuff.
me look for a tree.
Right. We're going to build a tree house. Look, a butterfly is back again. Oh. Oh. It's not that much over here. This is all. All right. Thank you. Yeah, so close it with that thing. Beautiful. I was hoping that it's Roman lettuce.
Is it? Okay.
I know, I'm asking.
It probably is. I feel like, what's the name? No, it's not. It can't be Roman.
Not cabbage.
No.
Beets?
I forgot the name. My sister told me, but that's exactly what that
Turnips?
is. No. What's,
Is it a vegetable?
yeah, I think it starts with an S.
Squash?
No. There's a name.
Spinach?
Let me see. Let me do these.
Swiss chard?
Yes, that's what it is. Yes.
I was reading from the side.
Oh, okay. Good job, because I cannot read that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the tomato. Oh, this kale? You think I could take some back? That's so cool.
The bunnies will know. Yeah.
It's hotter over here than it is over
It is because the sun is beating down.
stuff like that.
What, those? You don't like?
Look creepy.
Aw.